I'm Zyra.
And I'm Kaya.
And we are Black on the Road. Lastest to the side is a rotten egg. Black on the Road is an amazing YouTube channel where we vlog and film our journeys on the road with our RV and our family. So we are vlogging and we're going to take you guys on the journey with us to show you guys all that we do and all that we accomplish on the road.
On the road is the car go in the car, cities, and you want in the car house.
I'm most excited for the journeys we're gonna go on, new adventures and new things I'm gonna be seeing, new things I'm gonna be viewing, and spending more time with family, definitely. And most excited to be spending time with Kaya and my almost new baby brother that's coming soon. So yeah.
I'm excited about when my baby brother comes out. He is gonna be so cute and so nice, and it's going to come in the car time tonight.
I think I'm not so excited because here I'm not going to be here all the time. And most of my friends are here, my friends that I met when I first moved here. But I'm really mostly excited. I'm not really mostly sad about any of it. I'm really excited, but I think the only thing I'm going to miss is my friends.
I'm not excited about when the spider comes in my room, my friends see it and run away and come with me and all the stuff falls out.
I am, because I am not a morning bird. I don't like really waking up early. In homeschool, I can be at home and be comfy, so I like homeschooling. Do you like homeschooling?
I do, and it's my favorite to play with paintings and get up in the morning when you get up and eat cereal all day when you get an itchy butt.
Ooh, I think we're gonna be going to see really pretty waterfalls and oceans, pretty sights the stars and s'mores and fireplace, stuff like that. Well, what do you think we'll see on our adventures?
I think at the beach I swim in the water all day, and it makes me happy when my dogs sink in the water and I don't find them. I be sad about them.
I think I really want to go and see, I would like to go and see somewhere really pretty the canyon or mountains. So anywhere that has mountains, I'd be really excited to go. And you?
I like only beaches. You know my sink and my shoes. My purple shoes fall in the water, only one shoe. But I left my one shoe. I left my other shoe, and because my one shoe was on my hand, my other shoe was deep in the sea.
Okay. She wants to go somewhere with the sea. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on our journey by subscribing and turning on your notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. If you're a family that travels as well, please connect with us in the comments. And Kai and I hope to see you guys all on the road. Bye guys!